Hi student, how are you? I hope you are fine or better. Let's go. We calculate the moment of inertia of solid sphere about any diameter of the solid sphere or tangential axis of the solid sphere. At first calculate moment of inertia about diameter of the solid sphere. This is the solid sphere and we consider this is the axis and it and this is the diameter of the solid sphere and having radius capital R. We consider small element having radius small r and thickness dx. This is the small r and thickness. This is the thickness is dx. Thickness is dx and radius small r. And this element like as a disc. This element like as a disc. Crossing this portion is cutting in this portion perpendicular to the axis. This is the as like of a disc. And distance between center and elementary portion is x. This is portion and consider angle is theta. At first, we calculate the mass of the elementary disc and elementary disc total mass. If we know the total mass of the elementary disc dm and radius having radius is r, that is the moment of inertia of disc about axis AB. AB axis passing through the CG or COM center of mass and perpendicular to the plane of the disc. That is moment of inertia of disc about axis AB is half dm into r square. R square means small r square, radius of the elementary disc. Let's we integrate the limit theta or x. Integrate the elementary disc theta or x if the limit is x 0 to or plus capital R to minus. This is the elementary disc is in this portion. The value of x is capital R and this element in this portion, that is the value of x is capital R, but direction is opposite, that is the limit of x equal to plus of capital R equal 10 or to minus of capital R. Clear? Now at first to find the mass of the elementary disc. So mass of the elementary disc is dm equal to rho. Rho means hoche mass per unit volume. Solid sphere ki mass situated total volume of the solid sphere, that is dm equal to rho, and volume of the elementary disc is 2 pi r square and thickness is dx. This is the volume of the elementary disc and rho is the mass per unit volume, that is the total mass of the elementary disc. Put the value of rho dm m divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube pi small r square dx, that is pi cancel out, 3m divided by 4 r cube r square into dx. Let's moment of inertia MOI of elementary disc of about axis, elementary disc about axis AB is d suffix IAB equal to half of dm into r square. This is the formula of elementary disc by passing through the axis is CM and perpendicular to the plane of the disc. dm into r square. Put the value of dm 3m divided by 8 divided by 4 r to 8 r cube dm's r square, that is r to the power 4 into dx. Here arise two variables r and dx. In this situation, we convert one variable r, that is the one variable to this, change to r in term of x. Now in this triangle, base is x and hypotenuse is capital R. So and this is the perpendicular. Perpendicular divided by base equal to sine of theta. perpendicular base sin of theta, or this sin theta term is arise. But or another way, capital R square, that is the hypotenuse square equal to base square, that is x square plus small r square perpendicular square, or r square equal to capital R square minus of x square. Putting the value of in this portion, 3m divided by 8 r cube, that is r to the power r square minus x square x to the power square into dx. Okay, r square equal to x square, that is r to the power 4. Choose the limit, or di equal to IAB equal to 3m divided by 8 r cube integration r square minus x square into dx. Choose the limit x vary in this point positive r capital R, and in this point x is minus capital R. This is x limit tends to minus capital R to plus capital R, or 2 into 3m divided by 8 r cube integration 0 to capital R minus capital R to plus capital R, that means 2 into 0 to capital R. R to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 minus 2r square x square dx. Integrate to 4, 3m divided by 4r cube integrate r to the power 4, that means r to the power 4x plus x to the power 5 by 5, or minus 2 r square x cube divided by 3. Limit 0 to capital R. 0 to capital R. Okay. Or IAB equal to 3m divided by 4r cube r to the power 4, that means putting the value of x, r to the power 5, r to the power 5 commons, that means 1 plus r to the power 5 1 by 5 minus 2 divided by 3, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, or this is r square 3m divided by 4 1 plus 15, and 15 means also 15 plus 3 minus of 10 r square, that is the 3 tens minus of 3 10 of 5 8 3m r square into 8 by 15 divided by 3 by 4, 3 divided by 4, that is 2 3 to 5, that is 2 by 5 m r square. This is the moment of inertia of the solid sphere about diameter. If we calculate the moment of inertia about tangential axis, any tangential axis of the solid spheres, applying the parallel theorem of moment of inertia, applying the parallel theorem of moment of inertia, if this is the diameter AB, and moment of inertia about axis AB equal to 2 by 5 m r square, m is the total mass of the solid sphere and r is the radius of the solid sphere, and this is the tangential axis, this is the tangential axis CD, that is applying the parallel axis theorem applying the parallel axis theorem, we get ICD, moment of inertia about axis CD equal to I of AB passing through the CG or COM AB axis plus mass, total mass m, and distance L square, that is the distance between two axes, that is 2 by 5 m r square plus m r square, we get 5 to 5 means 7 m r square, 7 by 5 m r square. This is the moment of inertia of any tangential axis of the solid spheres. So, nice. Thanks.